Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Osman, and today in this video I'm going to enable the RealView Graphics option in my PC for AMD graphics card. So first of all, what you have to do, go to Start menu and then write REG and then search for the Registry editor. Click on it and then expand the option H key current user. In the H key current user you have to search for the software, and in the software search for the SolidWorks. So here we have the SolidWorks. So here you have to expand the option allow list, and in the allow list you have to select the current folder here. Why I have selected the current folder? Because I want to know which graphics card is installed in my PC. For that, in the current folder you have to right click on the renderer here and select modify. So this is the graphics card which is installed in your PC. So next step is that you have to copy this model number of your graphics card. Copy it. Sometimes it works, sometimes you have to copy all this text here. Copy it and then select OK. Now here in the G12 shaders, expand it and search for the graphics card manufacturer which you have installed. In my case I have installed the AMD Radeon graphics card. The version, or let me show you once again. Here you can see it's 550 RX 550. So I have to search Radeon first of all, R, which means Radeon, and then the number close to 550, which is 420. Expand this R420, right click on the R420 and then select new, and from here select key. So basically you are going to make a new key here. Now paste whatever you have copied, the name of your graphics card here, and then select here. After that, right click here on this white window, and from here select DWORD32 value. Rename it workaround. Work W should be capital, work AROUNDS. So there is no space between work and around. Then double click on the workarounds and type here the value which is 30008. So there are two more values. If this value does not work for you, you should use 30408 or 31408, and then select this option hexadecimal and press OK button. Now close everything. As you can see here, I have opened the SolidWorks. First of all, close the SolidWorks and then reopen the SolidWorks. Open the file whichever you are to open, and here you can see our RealView Graphics option is now turned on. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and sparing your time.